Welcome to JM Neat Physics. I am Murugan. Last video dimensional formula of van der Waals constant பற்றி பார்த்தோம். அதே ஃபார்மேட்டில் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு the units of van der Waals constant பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ அதுக்குண்டான கொஷின்ஸ் இங்கே இருக்குது. The equation of state of some gases can be expressed as the van der Waals equation P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT. Here P is pressure, V is volume and T is the absolute temperature, and A, small b and capital R are constants. Next have to find the units of constants. One is A, another one B, and then AB, and then A by B and B by A R. So now find out the units of van der Waals constants. Now see one by one. So all the constants value combine in the format. So the SI units and CGS units, two type of units possible. So this is set of SI units, totally 5 variable, 1 2 3 4 5 variables. So 5 answers is given in each answer. So totally 4 answer. These 4 answer for SI units and next 4 answer for CGS unit. Okay, now see one by one. First find out SI units of van der Waals constants. Units of A. First to find out units of A. So the A value pressure oda add ஆயிருக்கு. So இந்த format அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கலாம். Let P plus A by V square is equal to 0. So A by V square is equal to minus P. So இந்த P இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா மைனஸ். So next the denominator V square multiplied in right hand side. So A is equal to minus P into V square. This one formula. Next here in this formula P is pressure and V is volume. Now substitute the pressure formula in A equal to minus force divided by area into volume square. So for this expression the SI unit pressure, the unit of pressure Pascal and volume meter cube and then whole square, and simplify Pascal into meter power 6. This is the unit of A, SI unit of A. Next use this expression. So in this expression another SI unit, force Newton, area is written as meter square and volume is written as meter cube into whole square. So simplify Newton by meter square into meter power 6. So this cancel and then Newton meter power 4. So this is also another SI unit of A. So two type of SI units. For this expression the SI unit Pascal meter power 6. This is also unit of A, and another unit SI units for this expression F by A into V square. Use this expression. Finally the finding units value Newton meter power 4. This is another units of A, SI units. So in SI units Newton meter power 4. Newton meter power 4 the second answer and third answer la first and second answer la first la irukku. So this is the unit of A. Next units value find out. So next units value for example units of V, units of B value, units of B value calculated. So the B is added with volume. So let V minus B equal to 0, so B is equal to V. So volume, B is the another van der Waals constant variable. So volume SI units meter cube, so this is SI unit, and then CGS unit centimeter cube, CGS. Here CGS value, here CGS value, CGS unit value Newton dyne into meter centimeter power 4. This is CGS unit of A, CGS unit of A. These two SI unit of A. Next, this is SI unit of B, and this one is SI unit of CGS unit of B. Next, units of A into B, units of A into B. Now these two units multiplied, SI units of A and SI units of B. First SI units AB, SI units என்ன வரும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so Newton meter power 4 into meter cube, so finally Newton meter power 7. So this is SI unit of A into B. Next, CGS units of A into B. CGS units of A dyne centimeter power 4 into CGS units of B centimeter cube. Now these two combine dyne centimeter 7. This is CGS unit of, this is SI unit of AB, and this one is CGS unit of AB. Next, units of A by B, units of A by B. So SI units A by B is equal to SI units Newton meter power 4, this is for A, and B meter cube. Now these two cancel, so finally Newton meter. So SI units of A by B is Newton meter. Next, CGS units of A by B equal to CGS units of A by B. CGS units dyne centimeter power 4 divided by B CGS units centimeter cube. Now these two cancel, and finally dyne centimeter. This is CGS unit of AB. Next, units of B by A, units of B by A. So SI unit, first SI unit of B by A is equal to, this is volume meter cube and A Newton meter power 4. Now these two cancel, Newton inverse meter inverse. This is SI unit of B by A, B by A, SI unit of B by A. Next, CGS unit, CGS unit of B by A. CGS unit of B by A centimeter cube divided by dyne centimeter power 4. Now these two cancel, and dyne inverse and centimeter inverse. This is CGS unit of B by A. Now check it out. First one is the units of A Newton, the units of A here, units of A Newton meter power 4, Newton's units of B meter cube, and units of A into B Newton meter power 7. Now check out one by one. This is Newton meter power 4, that is units of A. Next, meter cube, that is units of B. Now these two multiplied, that is equal to Newton's units of A and B. Next, now these two divide Newton meter, the units of A by B. Next, B by A, P by A Newton inverse, and fourth one is wrong. So second answer wrong answer, and the first one also wrong answer, and the third one Newton meter power 4 correct answer, and the second one meter cube correct answer. Next, the units of A into B. Now these two multiplied Newton meter power 7, this is also correct answer, and then these two divide units of A by B. A by B means now these two units divide, so then only get Newton meter. Next B by A, the units of B by A above Newton inverse meter inverse, and third answer is fully correct. So the SI unit of van der Waals constants, see 1 by 1 Newton meter power 4 and meter cube and Newton meter power 7, Newton meter and Newton inverse meter inverse. This is the correct answer for SI units of van der Waals constant. Suppose CGS units, sometimes asking CGS units. So CGS units of van der Waals constants means, see in the four answer which one is correct. Now find out. First the CGS unit of A, dine centimeter power 4, Now this answer is correct and this answer is correct. And second one, CGS unit of volume, centimeter cube and centimeter cube. Second answer also correct. Now these two multiplied, dine centimeter power 4. Third answer also correct. Third answer is wrong. Next, A by B means dine centimeter power 4 divided by centimeter power cube. So now these two divide, then only get dine centimeter. This also correct answer. Next take inverse, dine centimeter inverse. So in CGS units, the arrangement of van der Waals constants, so in this order, one is dine centimeter power 4 and centimeter cube and dine centimeter power 7 and dine centimeter, and B by A units, yes, and CGS units of B by A, dine centimeter whole inverse. So this is the correct answer, and remaining second and third wrong answer. So இதில் ஏதாச்சும் உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருந்தால் கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மீதி அடுத்த வீடியோவில் அதுக்குண்டான கரெக்ஷனை பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.